Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I want to quickly recap the trade I took on Tesla. So, Tesla was on watch list from the weekly setups, and I talked about this earlier on Sunday, which was basically um, August the 14th, that I'm watching Tesla for a breakout. So, if you look here, Tesla. You should go watch my previous video on the Tesla breaking out. I just uploaded, but I'm not gonna go in depth over there. But Tesla was in uptrend here on shorter time frame, and I was watching for an entry on Tesla 950 call and 1000. So here's what's the trade look like for today. I think this was a great execution, so I just wanted to show how it looks like. So first and foremost, market open, Tesla gapped up here and then straight rip at open. So it moved pretty big actually, 13 points, and then 4.17 point move right at open. So didn't get to catch this move. And then Tesla starts to coil here. And then I was watching this area here, 910. This was, I wanted Tesla to break 910. That was my, kind of entry area. I was looking at 910 if it breaks above. So it came back, retested here, this area, and then bounced again. So next time it came here, I entered. Initially, I did scalp couple times Tesla here, down a couple $100 on 2-3 scalps, but nothing major. It wasn't breaking out, so we were just scalping in this zone. But look how tight Tesla was getting, compression here on Tesla, and we had the squeeze formation on it as well. So SPY was looking good as well. SPY was in consolidation. So around this area, I was already in position, so I added 5 more here at 10.85 was my fill for 950 calls. So $1,000, $1,100 per contract basically. So overall net $5,000. I added more, and I had previously I had $1,000 on this trade as well. So net I was roughly around 6K on this trade, and it was consolidating here, and my stop was right here, right below this 910 basically. If it closes below this 909 point, roughly around 909, right below my entry price. So I did get a decent entry here on that pullback. And next thing you know, here Tesla is looking good. And one thing which I would have liked to do is scale in around this area when it did break out. And I was paying attention to some other trade, and I kind of missed my entry. Tesla moved fast, and it did move. So at around this level, my first target was 925, which met. So I sold, 2 contracts here, roughly around 11:35 a.m. For $1,500 each, and then remaining 3 I sold for 14.6, and then the last one I sold I think around 14.3. I got out of the whole 950 call. So overall I made roughly $2,000 on this trade, first round. And then quickly what I did was, after I took profit on 950s, I rolled to 1,000 call, and I also alerted my private group here, Discord, which is link in the description. So you can see here, ticker Tesla, 1,000 call, weekly expiration, entry was 4.95 here, and I rounded up to 5. Stop was 919. So in this case, 925. So stop was roughly around, right around this area, right around this 920, and targets were 930, 940, and 950. So 930 was my next target. So we are just watching here. Tesla is holding well, and then it breaks out again from this consolidation. Nice move on it. And although the 1,000 call was way too out of money, and I should have held my 950, but I wanted to take profit, and I just wanted to play with profits. So I bought this 8 contracts, so roughly around 4.95, so around $5, so 4K in this trade. And keep in mind, 2K was already from profit, so I added 2K more from my, from my account. And then I quickly took profit at 5.5, so $50, so 10%. I sold 2, and then I remaining sold 3 around around 12:49 p.m. at 6.6. So roughly around this area I sold. And it did move a little bit up, but the premiums didn't move much after this. So you can see pretty much we nailed the exit on this trade. And I'm swinging the remaining contracts for tomorrow. So later in the day, Tesla did pull back here, and which is fine. It's expected pullback. So let's see tomorrow what happens, but I'm swinging from profits. So had I sold all these contracts on this trade itself, it would have been roughly around $500 to $600 profit from this one. So net around $2,500. So just wanted to recap real quick, like, really clean execution here. We got this nice entry here. We took profit at the key level, and then we re-entered and rolled up. And then next thing we know, it moved up, and now we are basically trading from house money at this point on this trade. Even if it goes to zero, I will not lose anything from my account. It will be from the profits. And that's how you basically roll your options, and you keep in the trade and keep moving up, but you still lock in profits. And very important to keep taking profit at key level. Another thing I would have loved to do is scale in more, try to add more size on the breakout. But I'm still kind of, market is extended. So taking very, very, taking it very, very, risk management is tight, size is down because market is extended. And Tesla looks really good, I think, for continuation to the upside. I think I'm hoping for 955, retest 950. Let's see tomorrow what happens. But if you have any questions, please post in the comments below. Please make sure to subscribe and like. And if you are interested in trying the Discord, I have a weekly option available as well. Details are in the link below, in the description below. And ciao.